The impact of a shared team vision and mission. Creating and communicating a shared team vision and mission has far-reaching effects on building a positive team culture. 1. Alignment. A shared vision and mission align team members' efforts, ensuring everyone is working towards the same goal and objectives. 2. Inspiration. The vision inspires team members by painting a compelling picture of what the team can achieve, igniting passion and enthusiasm. 3. Motivation. A clear mission provides motivation by defining the team's purpose and the significance of its work within the organization. 4. Unity. A shared vision and mission foster a sense of unity and belonging among team members. They create a common identity and purpose. 5. Accountability. The vision and mission serves as a basis for accountability. Team members can measure their progress against the defined goal and outcomes. 6. Decision making. The shared vision and mission guide decision-making processes by providing a framework for evaluating options and prioritizing action that aligns with the team's purpose. 5. 7. Communication. A shared vision and mission enhance communication within the team. The team members can refer to this statement when discussing strategies, priorities, and progress. The process of creating a shared team vision and mission. 1. Team collaboration. Involve all team members in the processes of defining the team's vision and mission. Conduct brainstorming sessions, workshop, or survey that gathers input. 2. Leadership involvement. Team leaders should actively participate in shaping the vision and the mission. They play a crucial role in communicating and reinforcing the statement. 3. Alignment with organizational goals. Ensure that the team's vision and mission aligns with the broader objective and value of the organization. 4. Communication. Once finalized, communicate the vision and the mission clearly to all team members. Use multiple channels such as team meetings, emails, and visual aid to ensure understanding and buy-in. 5. Regular review. Periodically revisit and evaluate the mission and the vision to ensure they remain relevant and reflect the team's evolving goals and priorities. A shared team vision and mission are foundational elements in building a positive team culture. They provide clarity, purpose, and unity, guiding team members towards common objectives and inspiring them to achieve their best. A well-crafted vision and mission not only shape the team's culture, but also contribute significantly to its overall success and impact within the organization. Thank you for watching this video today. Hope to see you in the next class. Thank you.